Welcome back to another Q-Tip Fridays. I'm over here in Wynwood. I need to go get a haircut. I got a flight coming up. A lot of things going on, you know what I'm saying? But today's video is important for people that pretty much want to be around other people that is doing well, that's doing, you know, good for themselves, but at the same time, understands that, you know, all the people that is around them, they want to actually do just as well, you know what I'm saying? But also just being mindful that you don't want to be around a selfish person, you know? So today's video is called cheering on your teammates. You know what I'm saying? Your teammates can be your friends, the people that you're around in your daily life. It could be in business, it could just be just normal friends, like, you know, not business partners, but at the same time, people that you're around often, you know what I'm saying? One thing that, you know, I've seen over time, over the past, like, maybe like 5 or 6 years, that, like, you know, people will go in business with each other, and then, you know, you have that one person that want to do so much better than the other person, and pretty much just kind of like, you know, brag about being better and all these things, when how does that help the situation? You know what I'm saying? Like, how does you bragging to a person that you're supposed to be friends with and partners with help the situation? You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like that's like it's very degrading. You know what I'm saying? That doesn't encourage your friends to want to do better, because now you're literally just laughing in their face that they're not doing better. You want to be around people that pretty much see that you can do better for yourself and help you do better. All right, this road is bumpy as hell. You want to be around people that pretty much can see your potential and help you reach your full potential, and not feel any kind of way towards it, not feel like you they owe you something or you owe them something. People that genuinely want to help you. That's kind of people that I feel like you should be around, like when it comes to business. If a person is bringing up, let's say, all these things that they did for you to pretty much get you to where you are now and that kind of shit, then it wasn't genuine in the first place. You know what I'm saying? So you always want to be around a person that's pretty much, you know, doing things based off of just genuine love and just caring about you. Because when it's not like that, it gets nasty. You know what I'm saying? Like, things are always kind of thrown in your face when a big thing happens. You know, like, those are the kind of friends that don't clap when you have a big accomplishment. You know what I'm saying? They just like laugh in your face, or like they just sit there and be like, oh, cool. But they would have never been anything without me, though. Good job, but they would have never been anything without me, though. Why would you want to be around that kind of person? You know what I'm saying? Like, if you have friends that are making these big accomplishments, yo, congrat them. You know what I'm saying? Clap for them, because at times those claps, it might just be like one clap, but at the same time, those claps from that certain person might be everything that they're hoping for. And like, when you're not doing those claps, imagine how it must make them feel. You know what I'm saying? Because you clapping can just encourage them even more to just want to do better now. Just keep on growing. You know what I'm saying? Like, and as you see your friends grow, why would you want them to be any less than what you are? Even if they surpass you, congrats. It doesn't matter, because at the same time, like, if a person is considering themselves a friend, it shouldn't matter if they're further than you, like lesser than you. It shouldn't even matter, honestly. You know what I'm saying? As long as you guys are having like a good bond and are still building a bond based on whatever you guys are working on, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. And even like when it comes to you know, like my niche that I'm in, we see this kind of stuff all the time, because it's based around money. So like, people always, you know, wanna, you know, shit on that other person, shit on that other group. It's a common thing. But in reality, like, look at the broader perspective of things, right? Everybody's healthy, everybody's making money, everybody's living how they want to live. that alone should be like, wow, bro, like we're fucking doing great for ourselves. You know what I'm saying? Like, not comparing who is above and that kind of stuff, but at the same time, just look at the broader perspective of things, right? We're all doing good. We're in a better spot than a lot of people. You know what I'm saying? And to actually, like, at times take a step back and just, like, look at things on that point of view, I feel like that's when you could actually appreciate, like, God damn, you know what? Like, why should we hate on each other when we're all just still having fun, making money, traveling on when we want to, buying what we want to buy, you know, just meeting people that we want to meet. Like, all these things are accomplishments that are uncommon. You know what I'm saying? So to actually try to actually hate on those things based on a person's accomplishments in a friend circle, it doesn't make sense. That envious feeling is the most worst thing that you could actually ever experience with a friend. You know, the people that are envious, I've seen on video, the people that hate on you, hate from afar away. You know what I'm saying? Like, those people are not close to you. The people that are envious, they could be like right next to you. And that's scary. Because they could be next to you the entire time, watching your entire move, knowing and learning more things about you, and then pretty much stab you in your back when you least expect it, because they were envious from the start. And when that envious comes out, it's nasty. It's like, what the fuck? Like, that's how you think about me? That's weird, you know? So you want to actually try to pick up those signs and those red flags from a person early. It could be the smallest comment. You know what I'm saying? Like, it could be just, oh, you're doing all right. Oh, cool. You know what I'm saying? Like, just like very, very just like a nonchalant type replies to certain things. You know what I'm saying? Like, no claps and that kind of stuff. Like, no kind of big congratulations, yo, bro, good shit. None of that. It's just more just like very, very subtle, like, oh, cool. You're doing good for yourself. Cool. You know what I'm saying? It's like, it's very, very subtle, but when you notice certain red flags from a person that has some kind of envious traits, trust me, stay clear of those people right there. It brings bad energy over time. It's things that you don't want to experience. You know what I'm saying? Because when it hurts you, it actually hurts you because who it's coming from. If it was from somebody else that you don't know, then fuck it, whatever. But at the same time, like, when it's envious, and when it's envy, period, it's coming from a person that's close, that a person that knows you, a person that pretty much is probably even around your family, all these things, but they're envious of you the entire time because of the kind of accomplishments that you're making. You know what I'm saying? So try to be around people that are willing to clap for you and cheer you on as you pretty much get better at life and pretty much learn life as you go through life. If it's not congratulations, then it's envy. It's envy or it's hate. Period. We're looking for those people that pretty much, woo, good shit, woo. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're looking for those kind of people. We want friends that are gonna be our cheerleaders as well, because I'm trying to be all of my close friends cheerleaders. It doesn't matter. Like, yo, you made a big accomplishment, yo, like, let's celebrate. You know what I'm saying? Like, it matters, you know? If it matters to you, then it definitely matters to me then. You know what I'm saying? You like it, and I love it. That's how it goes. You know what I'm saying? So, that sums up this week's video. Be around friends that want to see you win. Be around friends that want to see you grow. Be around friends that want to see you just do better at life without having any kind of envious traits. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm going to holler at you guys. Q-Tip Fridays. Until next week. Peace out.